best game in town.
The only game in town.
Anything else, in terms of, that our clients should be concerned with or looking at, or anything you're hearing about that we should discuss?
Well, I think I'll say this, because of this policy, I'm looking at the U.S. markets now, because we're contingent on these policy reforms to sustain the rally, if there is general disappointment, and we won't know that for months yet, we could have a major correction in our markets. But when I look at value, equities to bonds, equities to cash, I have to say, even though it's not as overpowering value as it was a few years ago when we talked, it is still relatively good value, and that will put a floor under this. So it will be a trading play if it happens, and if we don't get the policy when it happens, but it will be a trading play. And I think that's important to keep in mind, especially after a day like this.
And also keep in mind, corrections are normal.
Yes.
We look at one of the greatest decades in history, the 90s. We had not one, not two, but many 10% corrections during the decade. And even during the 80s. That's certain. You look at Black Monday, Black Friday, Bad Monday.
Yeah.
So it's it's normal. You look at last January, you had small cap and international markets down, some of them down almost over 20%.